Advanced reporting for admins gives you a high-level view of your Covideo team account for all users. By showing data for the team as a whole, as well as metrics for each individual user, you're able to easily identify trends, monitor success, and track usage. This means you can hold your team accountable and connect activity with results for insights into ROI. Your reports overview allows you to quickly see your most important metrics at a glance. You can see this as a total for all users on your team, or easily switch to see the same set of metrics for each individual user. Most viewed videos and best performing calls to action are also called out and can be found on the right-hand sidebar. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll find some additional reporting features. Users shows activity and results for each of your users on an individual basis. Custom Reports allows you to create, view, and edit your own specific reports, as well as set them up as recurring reports. All Data is where you can view all of your users' metrics at once in list form. History shows any recurring reports you've created that have been sent out in the past. And Legacy Reports houses any saved and recurring reports you may have created in the past using the previous version of Covideo's reporting feature. To edit the set of metrics that appear on your overview dashboard, click Customize. Here, you can add, remove, and arrange the graphs as you'd like them to display. Click Update when done. To save your overview reports as a PDF, click Download. On the Overview dashboard, you can use the drop-down to select between various date ranges or set a custom range. The exact date range will appear next to the selector box. You can also select to see information for all employees or choose a specific team member. Typing into the drop-down selector lets you search and find the employee faster. Each metric will display a total for the selected date range and user, as well as a graph depicting data over time, with dates on the bottom or x-axis and numbers on the vertical or y-axis. Hovering over the chart will show totals for a specific date. To drill down into the various reports, click See More. Again, you can customize the date range and user and hover over the chart to view information about specific days. Scroll down to see relevant information that pertains to this data, like videos, calls to action, and viewer email addresses. To save or share this information, you can choose to create a recurring report, download it as a CSV file, or send it to yourself or a teammate. On the Users page, you can see videos recorded, viewed, delivered, and open stats for all users as a total, individual users, or build custom reports to see these stats for specific groups of users, like teams. You can also sort these from greatest to least for each stat to quickly see your most and least active users. For individual metrics and a list of videos recorded, just click the user's name. Clicking on a video title in the list will display the analytics for that specific video, allowing you to see the traction and engagement they're receiving from their videos. Under Custom Reports, you can pull specific data for a certain date range and group of users on a one-off basis, and then download, send, or save them as recurring reports. To start, click Create New. Then choose the individuals whose data you'd like to pull into that report. This is great for creating team or campaign-specific reports. When done, hit Continue. Then select what data you'd like to appear in the report and click Continue. Give your report a name and select a default date range. Now click Create Report. Here you can download or email the report out. To set it as a recurring report, switch to the Recurring tab. Then click New Recurring. Under Recipients, add the email addresses for who you'd like the report to be sent to. Then choose the frequency as well as the preferred delivery day and time. When done, click Create. Now the report is set up and will begin sending at the specified time. Past reports can be found under the History tab.